Welcome to Fresh Idea Hub. We are going to explain a complete small milk packing machine business plan. First of all, you need a small milk packing machine made of stainless steel. This machine can pack around 500 to 1,000 milk pouches per hour. Next, you will need stainless steel milk storage cans to store fresh milk safely. These cans are easy to clean and help maintain hygiene during the entire packing process. After that, arrange a regular supply of fresh cow or buffalo milk from nearby dairy farms.
A few moments later.
At the start, 300 to 500 liters of milk per day is enough to run this business smoothly. For packaging, food-grade plastic rolls are required to make milk pouches. These pouches keep the milk fresh and safe for customers. Digital weighing and measuring tools are used to make sure each pouch has the correct quantity. The milk packing unit needs single-phase electricity, a clean water supply, and a proper drainage system. Hygiene items such as gloves, hair caps, aprons, and food-grade cleaning chemicals are very important for food safety. This business can easily be managed by 1 or 2 workers only. Simple branding and labeling on milk pouches help build customer trust and increase sales. Milk is supplied to local shops, hotels, and homes using plastic crates and a motorcycle or small vehicle. The total investment for this business is around $2,500 to $4,000.